Okay guys, I want to make a video on the upper weather strip for the door for 65 Mustang Fastback. So there's basically three pieces. This is the first piece that goes in right here. And then you have the outside stainless steel piece. And then this piece here, you get some of this tape and it goes right here. And then that will screw up in here when it's in the car. So I had my car painted, and this lip right here where this trim was on, there was too much primer, clear coat, everything else on it. So in this area back here, I actually had to sand some of that off to get this stainless steel to clip on there. Now, when you go to put this on, you can see that this inside trim piece, well, there's a little lip that goes right here that sticks out. So this trim piece here needs to go over that to kind of seal it up. So it's kind of real important. Now mine was actually sticking up, but I was able to push it in and then just lightly tap this, and it just went right into place. So it fits really good. Now, from the factory, they used rivets. I had some of these extra flathead screws, so I'm going to try to put it in with this and see if it fits. If I have a problem with it, I've got the rivets. I can put the rivets in it. It won't be that hard because I can just do them one at a time, and this piece isn't going to move. So that other trim piece is going to go right here, and you can see some of the holes. It'll just screw up in there, and then once I get that, then I'll be able to put the weather stripping in. Now, another thing I found that I didn't know is the weather stripping channel here, and they did this from the factory. You can see where it's slit. Now, I didn't know that, so when I had it at the body shop, I just asked the guy, hey, can you go ahead and just kind of weld those up, because it didn't make sense to me. Well, talking to the owner of a couple Mustang shops here in Chandler, Arizona, they said, no, they put the slits there so that this channel would fit up in there. So I'm probably going to have to grind these welds out and reopen these splits in order to get these pieces to fit in there. So if you get these trim pieces out, or you have them out and you see these are split and you're going, oh my God, I need to go get new pieces, that's the way they did it at the factory. So don't do it. Test fit it, before you go welding up like I did. Otherwise, you're going to have to resplit it like I'm going to have to do. So I hadn't seen too many videos about this, so I just figured I'd make one. We still got to do the passenger one here. We test fitted this here because, like I said, this has been painted, clear coated. And from Ford, they didn't come that way. They probably put one coat of primer on it, some lacquer thinner, and boom, they were done. But this has been, primered a couple times. It's got, 3-4 coats of base coat on it, and then it's got the clear coat on it. So those pieces here, this outside stainless steel piece, was never designed to go over that much material. So you might have to actually sand these areas down here to get that piece to fit on there. Now I test fitted it, so mine's going to be okay. With a little persuasion, it'll go on, but it's the original piece. So we're going to go ahead and put that on, and then once I actually get the weather stripping in, I'll make another video and kind of show you guys the process.